So guys, my front yard is finally done. So I paint our entrance because it's like the paint is worn out and it looks so dirty. So I also install a railing, so this will be safe for people who coming in here, especially old people that they need to hold the handrail with. So I finally did it just like a moment ago. So I just done and then also painted it, and these are the update of my plants. So this is the lighted brick that I put, and I add another plants here, and I add another plants here, and this is my lighted brick on the other side. So this is what my front yard looks like, guys. So finally I was able to knock off this handrail so that it will be safe for people who will coming in here when they visit. And I also